Okay guys, method 2 is short division, bus stop. Why do we call it bus stop? It's because we're going to use this, which almost looks like a bus shelter. You could have some people in here, there they are, waiting for the bus in the shelter because it is raining. Unfortunately, there's one guy out here who's getting really wet. And inevitably, he wants to get into that bus stop because otherwise he's going to be really, really wet. Unless he has an umbrella. But that's besides the point. So, let's have a look at bus stop here. We're going to use two calculations. Let's start with this one here. 672 divided by 3. Let's set it up. What number goes into the bus stop? The biggest one, 672. And number 3 wants to get into the bus stop. So, the way we do this is we say 3 times table. Is 6 in the 3 times table? How many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6. The answer is 2. Is 7 in the 3 times table? Let's count up. 3, 6, 9. Right, so 7 isn't, and we've gone past it. 9 is too far. So to get to 7, we have to jump to 6. 3, 6, and we will have a remainder of 1. Let me show you that again here. Here's 0, here's 7, that's our target number. We go 3, 6, remainder 1, because the difference between these two numbers is 1. So 3 goes into 7 twice, with a remainder of 1. This number then becomes 12. And does 3 go into 12? Let's try. 3, 6, 9, 12. It does. It goes in 4 times. And therefore the answer is 224. Now let's look at this one. 243 divided by 5. That's the one we've been doing in multiplication. Now bus stop becomes a little bit different. 243 divided by 5. So we are doing jumps of 5. 5 wants to get into the bus stop. So we need to say how many 5s are in these numbers. So we're going to take 2 first. Is 2 in the 5 times table? Let's try. 5. Well, we've already gone too far. If we start on 0 and we jump in 5s, well, number 2 is about here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is no, it doesn't go into 2. It's too big. 2. It's bigger than 2. So how can it go into 2? It can't. So we're going to take this 2 now and we're going to put it here. And this number becomes 24. Right, does 5 go into 24? Probably. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now if I went to the next one, it'd be 25, which is here. So we've got a remainder of 4. So it went in 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times with a remainder of 4. 4 times, remainder 4. We now ask the question, does 5 go into 43? The answer is Yes, it does. It goes in 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 45 is too far. So we had 5 plus 3, 8. Because 5 times 8 is 40. Now we wanted to get to 43, so there is a remainder. What's the difference between 40 and 43? The answer is remainder 3. Okay guys, kind of rushed through that one because I want this video to be less than 6 minutes and I'm 15 seconds away. We've done some of this at school this week though, so I think you'll be able to give this a chance. Once again, if you're struggling, look through this video, note the steps that were just taken, also look on BBC Bitesize, but if you're struggling with it, Homework Club on Sunday is at 11:30.